The kick of language. Understanding, kick out. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the English phrase, kick out. By the end of this video, you'll understand the different meanings and how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. Kick usually refers to the action of striking or propelling something with one's foot. When we add the word out to it, the phrase kick out can literally mean to forcefully remove someone or something using one's foot. Example, the boy accidentally kicked out the ball from the window. Apart from the literal meaning, kick out has a few figurative meanings. 1. Expel or dismiss. This is the most common figurative meaning. It refers to the act of removing someone from a place, group, or organization. Example, 2. The student was kicked out of school for breaking the rules. 3. To produce quickly. Sometimes, kick out can refer to producing something in a short amount of time. Example, 4. The factory kicks out 1,000 toys every day. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the essence of the phrase. Here are some synonyms for kick out: expel, dismiss, eject, oust, evict. Keep in mind that while these words are similar in meaning, the context in which they're used might vary. Now, let's look at a few more sentences to see how kick out can be used in various contexts. 1. The landlord threatened to kick out the tenants if they didn't pay the rent. 2. The club decided to kick out members who didn't follow the guidelines. 3. With the new machinery, we can kick out double the products in half the time. And there we have it. Now you know the different meanings of the phrase, kick out. Remember, English is full of such phrases that have both literal and figurative meanings. Keep learning and exploring, and soon, no phrase will kick you out of understanding. Hope you found this video helpful, and see you in the next one.